Join me as I dig deep into the real reasons behind mass deportation policies. Can I uncover the truth that's often left unspoken? Mass deportation policies have become a prominent issue in political discourse, with many countries implementing strict laws to control immigration, raising questions about their impact on individuals and communities. The complexities surrounding mass deportation policies are multifaceted, affecting families, communities, and economies. Deportation can lead to the separation of families, causing emotional trauma and economic hardship. Many individuals who are deported have lived in their adopted countries for years, building lives and contributing to society. Their removal can have a devastating impact on their loved ones and the communities they leave behind. The controversy surrounding these policies stems from the perceived inhumanity and lack of consideration for the individuals affected. Different countries have varying approaches to deportation, with some prioritizing national security and others emphasizing human rights. This disparity highlights the need for a nuanced discussion about the motivations and consequences of mass deportation policies. Historically, deportation policies have been shaped by a combination of economic, social, and political factors. Key legislation has often been driven by concerns about national security, public opinion, and the need to control borders. Different perspectives on deportation policies exist, ranging from those who see them as necessary for maintaining national identity and security, to those who believe they are inhumane and counterproductive. The motivations behind these policies are complex, reflecting a mix of genuine concerns about immigration and broader societal issues. By examining the historical context and various viewpoints, it becomes clear that deportation policies are not simply a matter of enforcing laws, but also of addressing deeper social and economic challenges. Deportation policies have evolved over time, influenced by changing political landscapes and societal attitudes. The impact of these policies can be seen in the lives of individuals and families, who are often forced to navigate complex and bureaucratic systems. Understanding the historical context and motivations behind deportation policies is essential for developing effective and humane solutions. The complexity of the issue demands a thoughtful and multifaceted approach, one that balances the need for border control with the need to protect human rights and dignity. A poignant example of the human impact of mass deportation is the story of a family who was torn apart when the parents were deported, leaving their children behind. This heart-wrenching scenario highlights the urgent need for a more compassionate approach to deportation policies. The emotional toll on the children, who were forced to grow up without their parents, is immeasurable. Such stories underscore the importance of considering the human cost of deportation policies and the need for a more nuanced approach. The long-term effects of deportation on individuals and communities can be devastating, making it essential to re-examine current policies and strive for more humane solutions. The story of this family is not an isolated incident, but rather a glimpse into the broader reality of mass deportation. Many families have been separated, and countless individuals have been forced to rebuild their lives in unfamiliar environments. The human impact of deportation policies is a stark reminder of the need for empathy and understanding in shaping immigration laws. By sharing such stories, we can raise awareness about the consequences of deportation policies and encourage a more informed discussion about the issue. In conclusion, mass deportation policies are a complex and contentious issue, with far-reaching consequences for individuals, families, and communities. It is essential to understand the historical context, motivations, and human impact of these policies to develop effective and humane solutions. The importance of considering the implications of mass deportation policies on society cannot be overstated, as they have the power to shape the lives of countless individuals and the fabric of our communities. Join the conversation by sharing your thoughts in the comments below, and check out our next video, where we'll delve into the intricacies of immigration policies and explore ways to create a more just and equitable system for all.